Into each life, a little rain must fall. But when Snooks was born, it really poured. Tonight, we find baby Snooks and her daddy, played by Hanley Stafford, seated at a table in a railroad station restaurant, grabbing a pre-trained snack. Enter now that terrible, tantalizing tot, baby Snooks.
Take off your coat, Snooks, and I'll hang it up right here next to Daddy.
All right.
There. Now, let's eat in a hurry.
What's that sign on the wall, Daddy?
Oh, that's an old-fashioned sign they used to hang in restaurants. It says, "Watch your hat and coat."
I'll watch him, Daddy.
Oh, never mind that. Just sit down. And no stalling with your food. We only have 5 minutes to catch the train.
Where are we going, Daddy?
Oh, I've told you a dozen times we're going to visit Grandma.
Oh. Why are all those people eating here?
Well, they have to catch a train, too.
The same train we have to catch?
Yes, I guess so.
It's going to be awful crowded at Grandma's, ain't it?
They're not going to Grandma's. Now, give me that menu, and I'll order a quick bite.
From who?
From the waitress.
If she bites me, I'll bite her back.
I'm talking about food. Now, sit still. Oh, miss.
Yes, sir?
I'll have a chicken sandwich and a glass of beer. Bring the little girl lettuce and tomato salad and some milk.
Yes, sir, right away.
I don't want no milk, Daddy.
Well, you have to drink milk, Snooks. It'll make you big and strong.
What are you going to drink?
A glass of beer.
That's what I want.
Now, don't be silly. You can't have beer.
Why?
Because it'll make you dizzy. And stop squirming in your seat.
I'm looking to see if the coach is still there, Daddy.
Now, don't you be foolish. Tuck that napkin in your neck. Now, here comes the food.
Here you are, sir.
Oh, thanks. Now, go ahead and eat your salad, Snooks.
I want some bananas.
They don't have any bananas.
Yes, they have right there hanging on a stick.
You can't have those bananas. They're still green.
I like them.
I know it, but they're not ripe.
Why?
Because they're green.
Then I want some beer.
No, it'll make you dizzy. Now, eat your lettuce.
I don't want lettuce. The lettuce is no good.
Oh, why not?
'Cause it's green.
Well, what of it?
Well, if it's green, it ain't ripe.
Oh, stop that nonsense. Of course it's ripe.
You said bananas ain't ripe when they're green.
I know I did.
Then why is lettuce ripe when it's green?
Because that's the color of lettuce when it's ripe.
Well, what's the color of it when it ain't ripe?
Green! It's green when it's ripe, and it's green when it's not ripe.
Did you drink some beer, Daddy?
Yes.
Did it make you dizzy?
No. Now, hurry up and eat your salad, or we'll miss the train.
All right. Daddy,
What?
I just eat my tomatoes. I don't want the lettuce.
Snooks, don't make me yell at you in front of all these people. You simply must eat the lettuce.
Why?
Because it's full of vitamins.
What's vitamins?
It's something in your food that gives it the necessary nutriment value. That plate of lettuce has millions of vitamins.
I don't see any.
I know you don't, but they're in there just the same. You can't see them, you can't taste them, you can't feel them, and you can't smell them. But if they weren't there, you wouldn't be here.
Are you sure you ain't dizzy, Daddy?
Yes, I'm sure. Now eat that lettuce before I shove it down your throat. Now, what's the matter?
I'm afraid of the vitamins.
Oh, listen, Snooks, all food has vitamins. And each vitamin has a name.
Can I call this one Charlie?
No. They're called A, B, C, D, E, and G.
Where's that?
There is no F vitamin, just A, B, C, D, E, and G. Now eat your food. We haven't got much time left. Oh, where's that clock?
Right behind you, Daddy.
Oh, good heavens, there's only 2 minutes left and... Snooks, what happened to your lettuce?
Huh?
Now, you didn't have time to eat it. I just turned my head for a second. Did you hide it?
No.
Then where is it?
The vitamins ate it.
Oh, what's the use? Drink your milk and let's get out of here.
All right.
Now, wait. Don't gulp it so fast. Snooks, you'll get sick. Snooks.
I finished it, Daddy.
There you see. Now you have the hiccups.
Who?
You drank the milk so fast. Now, stop laughing then.
I can't. My stomach tickles me.
Oh, here. Take a little sugar. That'll make the hiccups go away.
All right.
Oh, swallow it. Now drink a little water and hold your breath while I count 5. Now, here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you to hold your breath while I counted 5. What's the matter?
I held my breath and the hiccup pushed it out.
Well, drink some more water and hold your breath this time. Now, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Now, let your breath out. Oh, don't! Let the water out, too. You see, you blew it all over me.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Oh, well. Are the hiccups gone?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh. It's better now. It came back again, Daddy.
Oh, my heavens. Snooks!
Huh?
Boom! Boom!
What you doing, Daddy?
I'm trying to scare you. Boom!
Excuse me, sir. Is something wrong?
I think my daddy had too much beer.
Oh, nothing of the kind. Never mind, miss. Everything's all right.
Yes, sir.
Oh, what's the matter with you, Snooks? You know very well I was only trying to cure...
Now you got him, Daddy.
It's all your fault. Give me that sugar. Snooks, do you hear me? What are you twisting around for?
It's the only way I can wash my coat.
Well, stop it. You don't see me washing my coat.
You don't have to. Some man took it 5 minutes ago.
Thank you, Fanny.